Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. I know it has been a long time since our last upload, but I really apologize for that. But in today's video, I'll make it up. I'll tell you guys what has been going on in the past. I'm going to be talking about three things in today's video. Number one, so far, I adopted a new strategy. I know you guys are going to be like, but Casper, you adopt like a new strategy every single week. What are you doing? You're going to like crash your portfolio. But listen, this one is one that I'm looking to probably keep using the strategy at least for the next few months. All right. So I think it's a solid strategy and I'll be talking about it. So that's number one. And number two, I'm going to be talking about the second part of the strategy because there's two parts. So technically that may be one if you count them both as one. So there's two parts of this strategy. And then the third part, what I'm going to be talking about is what stocks I'm holding. That's right, I'm going to be explaining all these stocks. I'm going to go through them quickly. Don't worry, I'm not going to drag along every single one of them. I'll tell you what is my main goal with each one, and hope you guys enjoy the video. And it's going to be pretty interesting with the strategy, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So before I get into the video, like always, like I say, if you guys enjoy my videos, I'd really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button, put some in the comment section below if you have any questions for me whatsoever, put them in there. I read and try to answer every single one of them. And of course, if you want to be Casper's boy, you gotta subscribe. So if you guys could do that, that would really mean a lot to me. Thank you guys. So getting into the video, as you guys can see, the first part I'm going to be talking about is the first part of the strategy, which is swing trading. I know you guys have seen me do a lot of swing trading, but I'm going to be adopting a little more of a longer term swing trading, like anywhere from a week to a month-ish type of swing. So I'm going to be explaining just one or two stocks that I'm doing this strategy with, just to give you a better example. So for example, I'm trying to do a shorter term swing trade with AMD. I have about half of my portfolio into this stock, and I have a decent return on it so far, $13.73. And what I saw in this stock, I mean, obviously you can't see the best charts on Robinhood, but I saw a simple staircase pattern, uptrending, and it was down at support. So I purchased the stocks at support, and right now, guess what? We're in the profit 2.5%. So it's not too shabby, but I still see AMD looking to go up to around $34 or 33 at least dollars before I'm looking to sell. But of course, if I see any signs of it's starting to downtrend like it did right here, I'll just take my profits and I'll be happy with what I made. So that's kind of like the shorter term of swing trading. And a little bit of a longer term swing trade is something like I'm trying to do with either PayPal, Berkshire Hathaway, or Square. I'm going to show you guys Square really quickly because I think it's the best example. So if you guys know the website, I mean the stock Square, it has a pretty nice pattern. I would say it's like semi-horizontal, and I've currently bought at the dip. And I see the stock probably hitting around the, just to be conservative, maybe around $70 to $75 area. And right now it's at 65. So I could make a nice $5 to $10 profit once this stock swings back up. But this is one of the longer term swings, which I think, in my opinion, will take anywhere from 1 month to 2 months. But I'm perfectly fine with that as long as profit is profit. You guys know it's better to make 1% in 1 month than to lose 5% in 1 month trying to do some short-term risky stuff. But that, you guys may disagree with the second part of the strategy, which is day trading options. That's right. I am day trading options as my second part of the strategy. And of course, I only have 3-day trades, so I can't do this too often. But only if I see a very nice and very simple pattern that's easy to predict on SPY, I go ahead and buy either a call or put option. And I'm looking to make around, from an investment of maybe anywhere from $100 to $200 on one of these options. I'm looking to make anywhere from $5 to maybe $15, and I cut my losses if I see it going in the opposite direction, so I try to do that as well. So that's basically it. As you guys know, SPY day trading is the second part of it. I may do some Apple or Nvidia or some other big stocks, but SPY is the main focus. So, and the third part, I'm going to be going over really quickly which stocks I own and what are my main goals with them. And this is going to be really quick. I'm not going to drag this out like some people do um, online. So, really quickly, UWT, to be honest, you may call me a little uneducated, but I have no idea what I'm doing with this. I'm just waiting to get back into the profit. Honestly, I don't care about this stock really. I'll just sell it whenever it goes up, I guess. So that's UWT. That's not a good example. Second stock I own is Zynga. I only own one share because I wasn't very positive about this investment, and that worked out well because I'm down 7% on this. But this is a stock that I'm looking to hold long term, like possibly over a year. Just for the fun of it. I'm not looking to make a lot of money. I'm just holding it, kind of, I would say, for fun. But here is where the real business comes in, where I want to make some money. Of course, I showed you guys AMD. I already explained it. I'm not going to go over it again, but yeah, I'm looking to make around $50, anywhere from $40 to $50 from this swing trade on AMD, which would be fantastic to my portfolio. Zillow is more of a long-term one. It'll take a few months at least for it to go back to its old highs. Let's say $40. And if you could go up to 50, that would be amazing. But yeah, that's what Zillow is, a little long-term. And then I'm focusing more on these three. Even though Berkshire Hathaway is more of a long-term one, I think it'll take about a month for it to climb back onto one of these, I would say, bumps or jumps, whatever you want to call them, when the stock Berkshire Hathaway just jumped up like crazy. And I think I'm looking to make around, so if it goes to 210, yeah, $10, $5 to $10 from this swing trade. It's a little bit of a safer one. But here comes one of my favorites. PayPal and Square. PayPal right here, as you guys can see, I bought at the dip. I think PayPal is a very, very good company, and to be honest, everyone who uses PayPal, who doesn't even know what PayPal is? And I think this is just a great dip buy opportunity. It'll definitely hit $120 or even more. So I took this opportunity to buy some, well, I only bought one share, so I can't say shares, but I'm looking to possibly buy one more share in PayPal. Just because it's looking like it's gonna go up for sure to me. And last one, I already explained this one, so I'm not gonna go over it too long. Square right here, we're up around 2.4%, and we're looking to do a little bit of a longer swing on this. Hopefully, if it goes up to like $70-$80, that'd be very nice. And yeah, that'll be basically it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, anything, just put in the comment section below. I read every single one of them and try to answer every single one of them as well. And that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys smash that like button. Thanks.